There was a time when I didn't have enough courage to go and talk in front of my own classroom. But then things started changing when I realized how important confidence and your communication skills are. And a lot of you people also requested me to make a video on this topic. So in this video, I've spoken about how you can articulate words properly and also be a good speaker. So in this video, I'll be not talking about confidence and confidence development. I'll talk about this in some other video. But in today's video, I'll be talking exclusively on what are the main basics of how you can be a good speaker and how you can communicate properly. So make sure you watch the video till the end. There is a very common example which many communicators give. How many of you guys have played the game Shadow Fighter Stickman? If you guys haven't, then let me tell you guys what it is. Two characters fight and you control one of them. So there are keys designated for every move your character makes. When you use 2 to 3 keys combined, this combination makes a special move and you gain more points. Now relate this with communication. The way you articulate words you use matters a lot when you want your statements to stand out. There are 3 basic ways you can start using right now to improve your communication. First one is vocabulary. Now vocabulary is the melody of speech. Most of the students face this problem of lack of vocabulary. They don't understand which words to use when and end up talking irrelevant stuff. There are many ways in which one can improve his or her vocabulary. One of them is by using apps and websites like vocabulary.com and Vocabulary Builder. These are certainly very useful also for the people who know the language well. Another way is by reading books, what only 10% of the students do, I guess. By saying read books, I mean read books from foreign authors and not Indian authors. I don't say that Indian authors don't write well, but there are only a few of them who do it the right way. Books will teach you the right way a sentence is formed and also how you can use them. Keep a thesaurus and a dictionary handy every time you read. Mark the words which are new and find their meaning and synonyms. I'll be making a new video soon on what books to read and what not to. I've mentioned a few books in the description below which are a must read if you're below 20. Go check them out. The second thing is be clear. It so happens that at times we have an idea that we haven't thought about properly, and in the end such messages get confusing and other person doesn't get the right meaning of what you're trying to say. This is called muddled thinking. Be clear about what you want to say before you speak and say exactly what you mean. Don't go around the topic and miss the entire context. Effective communicators don't beat around the bush. Don't use irrelevant words and increase the number of words you use. Keep your talk as simple and understandable it can be. The third thing is to be real. Every person has their own way of speaking and explaining stuff. Never try to imitate somebody else. Anybody can make out if a person is trying to use a fake accent. It's easier to be you. You'll be more comfortable and less conscious about how you speak. Never lose your originality and maintain your personality. It's obvious that everybody will have their own way and that's nothing to worry about. Keep improvising yourself by learning new things and not copying things. So in this video, I've only spoken about how you can be an effective communicator. By effective, I mean whatever you say, your words have to be impactful. I've not spoken about how you can grow your communication skills because that is a very different topic in that there are things like how your eye contact should be, what actions you should make while talking, and your story flow. There are many things related to it. So I'll be covering out all those topics also in one of my videos. So to watch that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will be updated on every video I upload. So that's all for today's video guys. Thank you.